Tired of manually sending WhatsApp messages? Let's automate them using Zapier in just a few easy steps. First, head over to Zapier and log in or create a free account. If you don't have one already, Zapier is the magic tool that connects different apps together. Click on the Create Zap button. This is where the automation begins. We'll set up what triggers the WhatsApp message. Let's say we want to send a WhatsApp message when a new row is added to a Google Sheet. Search for Google Sheets in the Choose at an Event section and select it. Now, choose a trigger. Select New Spreadsheet row because we want the Zap to activate when there is a new entry in the sheet. Next, connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier. Grant the necessary permissions so that Zapier can access your Google Sheets data. Specify the spreadsheet and worksheet you want Zapier to monitor for new rows. This ensures Zapier pulls data from the correct source. Make sure that you have a column with phone numbers. Now, click the plus icon to add another action. Here, search for WhatsApp Business by Twilio. Select Send Template Message as the action. This will allow us to send customized messages through WhatsApp. If you do not have a template, create one. Connect your Twilio account that has the WhatsApp Business API enabled to Zapier. Follow the instructions provided by Zapier to successfully connect the account. Map the relevant data from your Google Sheet to the corresponding fields in your WhatsApp template. For example, match the name column to the recipient name field and the phone number to the recipient phone number field. This ensures personalized messages. Click Test Action to send a test message to your WhatsApp number. Confirm that everything is set up correctly and that you received the test message. Finally, turn on your Zap. Now, whenever a new row is added to your Google Sheet, a personalized WhatsApp message will be automatically sent. Automate anything using Zapier.